That man is playing Galaga. That man is playing Galaga. That man is playing Galaga. Thought we wouldn't notice, but we did. Thought we wouldn't notice, but we did. Thought we wouldn't notice, but we did. How does Fury even see these? How does Fury even see these? How does Fury even see these?
He turns. He turns. He turns.
Sounds exhausting. Sounds exhausting. Sounds exhausting. The rest of the raw materials. The rest of the raw materials. The rest of the raw materials. Agent Barton can get his hands on pretty easily. Agent Barton can get his hands on pretty easily. Agent Barton can get his hands on pretty easily. Only major component he still needs. Only major component he still needs. Only major component he still needs is a power source of high energy density. A power source of high energy density. A power source of high energy density. Something to kickstart the cube. Something to kickstart the cube. Something to kickstart the cube.
When did you become an expert in thermonuclear astrophysics? When did you become an expert in thermonuclear astrophysics? When did you become an expert in thermonuclear astrophysics?
Last night. Last night. Last night. Packet. Selvig's notes. The extraction theory papers. Packet. Selvig's notes. The extraction theory papers. Packet. Selvig's notes. The extraction theory papers. Am I the only one who did the reading? Am I the only one who did the reading? Am I the only one who did the reading?
Loki need any particular kind of power source? Loki need any particular kind of power source? Loki need any particular kind of power source?
He'd have to heat the cube to 120 million Kelvin. He'd have to heat the cube to 120 million Kelvin. He'd have to heat the cube to 120 million Kelvin. Just to break through the Coulomb barrier. To break through the Coulomb barrier. To break through the Coulomb barrier.
Unless Selvig has figured out how to stabilize. Unless Selvig has figured out how to stabilize. Unless Selvig has figured out how to stabilize. Quantum tunneling effect. Quantum tunneling effect. Quantum tunneling effect.
Well, if he could do that, he could achieve heavy ion fusion at any reactor on the planet. Well, if he could do that, he could achieve heavy ion fusion at any reactor on the planet. Well, if he could do that, he could achieve heavy ion fusion at any reactor on the planet.
Finally, someone who speaks English. Finally, someone who speaks English. Finally, someone who speaks English.
Is that what just happened? Is that what just happened? Is that what just happened?
It's good to meet you, Dr. Banner. Good to meet you, Dr. Banner. Good to meet you, Dr. Banner. Your work on anti-electron collisions is unparalleled. Your work on anti-electron collisions is unparalleled. Your work on anti-electron collisions is unparalleled. And I'm a huge fan of the way you lose control. I'm a huge fan of the way you lose control. I'm a huge fan of the way you lose control. Turn into an enormous green rage monster. Turn into an enormous green rage monster. Turn into an enormous green rage monster.
Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.
Dr. Banner is only here to track the cube. Dr. Banner is only here to track the cube. Dr. Banner is only here to track the cube. I was hoping you might join him. I was hoping you might join him. I was hoping you might join him.
Let's start with that stick of his. Let's start with that stick of his. Let's start with that stick of his.